There are two different types of edge styles in SketchUp. Those that are 100% vector-based, such as this one, and those that are fundamentally based on an image scanned into the computer. They're called sketchy styles. These two are examples of sketchy styles. They're based on a scan of a brushstroke someone made with an actual marking pen or pencil or what have you. These give a more non-photorealistic look, which can be quite pleasing. To take a look at this, I'm going to go back to this vector style and then go to Edit. Go to the first button here to look at the edge settings. And you'll see a list of parameters here that control the look. Jitter kind of randomizes the lines to give it a little bit more of a hand-drawn look, but this is done with an algorithm. Endpoints are added to the lines here, here, and so on, and their thickness can be controlled with this number. Extensions are optional, and they are the portion of the line that overshoots the intersection. So if I make this 9, maybe you'll see that a little bit better. Here we're having extensions go beyond the actual geometry. Depth Q makes lines that are closer to the camera, closer to you, a little bit darker. So it gives you more of an indication of something that fades in depth. Profiles are the silhouette edges of the object, and they are thicker by default. And of course you can toggle the display of edges entirely. I'll go back to the Select button and choose this other style. Go back to Edit, and here we see a different set of edge settings. We have some of the same features, but we have others which are unique to these sketchy edge styles. Here's a thumbnail of the actual scanned-in brushstroke, which is an image after all. You can control the level of detail here with this slider, and that's how many of those edges are shown. The halo gives a kind of gap at the ends of these brushstrokes. The extension overshoots the lines. Depth Q does the same thing as it does in a vector style, and the profiles are the same as well. SketchUp Pro actually ships with a separate application called Style Builder that lets you build these sketchy edge styles from scratch, but you don't need to have SketchUp Pro to use them. If someone else has created a sketchy edge style, you can use it just the same in the free version of SketchUp.